Okay, so here is our next example, and this is letter C on your notes page. So again, we're going to start with using numbers and one variable, and in this case we just have an h that we're solving for. And we're going to see what happens when we solve for that one variable with everything else being numbers. So the first thing that we would do here is we can actually go ahead and multiply 5 times 12. So that leaves us with 360 on the left side. 5 times 12 is 60 times h on the right side. And then to get rid of that coefficient, that number that's in front of the h, we need to divide by that since we're multiplying right now. So to do the opposite, we're going to divide. And when we do 360 divided by 60, that's our fraction that we have h equal to, because 60 divided by 60 is 1, so we have 1 h. When we reduce that fraction, we end up with just a 6 equal to our h. So now we're going to follow that exact same process, but now we don't have any numbers. We have v is equal to L times W times h. We are still solving for the h, so I'm going to mark that variable so I know what we're solving for. Now on the left side, the first thing that we did was we went ahead and multiplied 5 times 12. Over here we have L times W. Okay, now we can't do anything else to multiply those. That's what we get when we multiply L times W, we get L times W. So I'm going to go ahead and leave that the way it is, but what happened over here is whatever I got when I multiplied 5 times 12, where I got the 60 over here, I then divided it by the 60 because 60 is being multiplied times h. So we have the same situation over here. We have L times W that's being multiplied times h. So I want to get rid of this L times W. So to do that, I'm going to do the opposite. I'm going to divide because this is L times W times h. So I'm going to divide both sides by L times W. And when we do that, we get V over L times W is equal to, and then over here, LW divided by LW, that's going to equal 1, because anything divided by itself is 1. So we have 1 times h, which is just h. So now, of course, like always, we have to look at our fraction to see if we can reduce it, but we can't do anything else with this. We don't have anything in common between our numerator and our denominator, so that is all that we can do.